Hey movers, athletes, and artists. Welcome to Jade High, Higher Consciousness Through Movement, your source for learning to fuse yoga with dance. My name is Chelsea, and in this video, we're going to be learning the open and lengthen track of your yoga dance fusion workshop. If you're not already warm, I would suggest using the warm-up track or the sun salutation track to get the blood moving and pumping and ready to tackle this next track. So now we have 4 yoga dance fusion tracks added to the channel. So my suggestion would be to start from the top. We've got the warm-up track, the slow flow track, sun salutations track, and now we have the open lengthen track. So start stringing these videos together and create more of a class for yourself at home.
All right, let's get started with the newest material. I'll meet you on the mat. Now we're going to start in downward facing dog. We're going to pedal through the feet right, and left. Back to down dog. Lift that right leg up, stepping through, arriving warrior 2. Okay, we're going to see that again. Keep in mind I'm teaching you in real time, so the pace at which I'm moving will also match the pace of the music. We hold the first 4 counts. We pedal through 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg lifts 1, 2, 3, 4. Set up warrior 2, 6, 7, 8. Last time before moving on, we hold. We pedal 5, 6, 7, 8. Right leg lifts 2, 3, 4. Step down, arrive 7, 8. Moving on, first just watch. Back arm drop swings, bending into the right front leg. We do it twice. We reach forward, reverse warrior, twist the torso, arrive back warrior 2. We repeat. Now your turn to try. We're going to do this in real time. Back arm drop swing, open, 3, 4, reach forward, toss, circle the torso with counts, 2, 3, 4, reach 5, toss 6, circle 7, 8. So let's pay attention to this detailed arrival here. My arms and my legs are meeting in the full expression of warrior 2 on the count of 8. This is the trickiest part, so we're going to give ourselves one more opportunity to practice. Back arm drop swing, 2 again, 3, 4, reach forward 5, toss 6, circle 7, 8, again 1, 2, 3, 4, reach, toss, 7, 8. Okay, let's put that together and take it from the top. I'll cue you with counts for each movement. Starting in down dog, we hold, pedal out 5, 6, 7, 8, right leg up, 2, 3, 4, warrior 2, 6, 7, back arm drop swing, 1, 2 again, 3, 4, reach 5, toss 6, arrive 7, 8, again 1, 2, 3, 4, reach 5, toss 6, circle 7, 8. Moving on, we turn the toes parallel, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands to forehead. Inhale, sweep arms up. Exhale, hands to forehead. A third time, we sweep up. Bend the knees, flatten the spine, and reach the arms back. From here, we reach forward and we reach back. We reach forward for 2 and back for 2. Last time to reach forward, press down through the feet and stand tall. Let's take it back and practice that section. So from warrior 2, flip the palms up, turn the feet parallel, hands to forehead. Inhale, sweep. Again, hands drift to forehead. A third time, sweep. Exhale, sit back, flat back. Fingertips reach forward. They reach back, palms in. They reach forward. They reach back, palms in. Last time, reach forward, press down through the feet, stand tall. Adding on a short section before tying all of that together. I would suggest just taking it in with your eyes this first time. We drop swing, one arm crosses in front of the other, reach up overhead. A second time, drop swing, torso goes for the ride, pour down, bend the legs, arch the back, stretch forward. So here's another demo. You'll notice my torso is just responding to the bend and pulse through my legs. We pour forward, arching the back, extend through the legs, and stretch. Okay, now we're gonna try this drop swing with both arms together. So find a wide second position, all 10 toes face forward. We pulse and bend twice through the knees, extend up overhead. A second time, and pulse, reach up. Pour forward, bend through the legs, hips up. We hang out and stretch here for an 8 count. Prepare the left hand in the center of your straddle. Peel open the right arm, keeping the hips nice and still. Extend down 7, 8. Other side, peel open the shoulders. Hips are steady and still. Extend down 7, 8. Walk the feet to the left. Step back, down dog. All right, you've learned all of the choreography and made it to the other side. The video is going to show me doing the left side. Use this as an opportunity to review. Whether you do the right or the left, we're gonna recap right here and then take it from the top and execute with music. Remember, this video is yours to practice, so take it back as many times as you need to feel confident with the choreography, and then start having fun moving to the music. So let's get started reviewing whatever side you choose. I'll be doing the left. Remember, hold the first 4 counts. Then pedal 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Circle 7, warrior 2. Again, 1. 2, extend 3, 4, reach 5, toss 6, circle 7, 8, turn parallel, 2, hands to forehead, 4 again, sweep, 2, 3, 4, last time sweep, sit back, reach forward, reach back, 7, 8, again forward, 2, back, 3, 4, reach forward, 5, 6, press down, stand tall, drop swing, 1, 2, reach 3, reach 4, again 5, 6, reach 7, reach 8, pour forward, stretch, hold, stretch, 6, 7, 8, peel open left arm, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, extend to lower, 8, other side, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, extend lower, 8, walk to the right, step back, down dog. All right, the time has come. Let's put everything together with music. So meet up in downward facing dog. You'll hold for a count of 4 and pedal out through the right foot first on 5, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, so prepare in your downward facing dog. It's showtime.
hope you guys enjoyed learning the open and lengthen track. So not only does it feel great to get the body moving and get sweaty, but combining yoga with dance while applying counts with choreography involves the brain in a new way. So I hope you feel the growth in all facets of the material. So if you guys like what I'm up to on my channel, and this video in particular, please like, please comment, please share it with your friends and your family, and of course, subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time there's a new video posted to my channel every Wednesday morning. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Chelsea, this is Jade High, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Luna, come here. Come here, Luna. Come here, bug. Sit, sit. Stay. This is Luna. Sit, honey.